Imagine a world where animals talk, where cars fly, and where magic is as common as the air we breathe. Welcome to the world of children's cartoons. Here, endless imagination and creativity transform simple sketches into vibrant landscapes of adventure. These captivating realms, filled with talking animals, flying cars, and everyday magic, are the product of tireless dedication and artistic ingenuity. Creating these magical worlds that bring joy to millions of children worldwide is no easy task. It takes a lot of hard work, creativity, and yes, a bit of magic. The magic that brings cartoons to life starts with an idea, a spark of imagination. This is the first step in creating a children's cartoon. Imagine yourself sitting in a room, a blank canvas before you and a pencil in your hand. The first step in creating a cartoon is conceptualization. You start with an idea, a story you want to tell. It could be anything from a brave princess in a castle to a tiny ant's big adventure. The sky is your limit. Once you have your story, it's time to put it into words. This is where scripting comes in. The story is written down in dialogue and action, like a play. It's like writing a book, but instead of chapters, you have scenes. And instead of paragraphs, you have lines for your characters. Next comes the storyboard. This is where the script is turned into a visual guide. Imagine a comic strip, but instead of funny or dramatic panels, you have the scenes of your story. This map of visuals helps the animators understand what the scene should look like, where the characters are, and what they're doing. Speaking of characters, they need to be designed too. Character design is a crucial step, where artists decide what our heroes, villains, and everyone in between looks like. They sketch and colour, bringing to life characters that will soon be loved by children everywhere. Now it's time for animation. This is where the real magic happens. The storyboard and character designs come together, and with a lot of hard work and a dash of creativity, the characters start moving. They run, they jump, they laugh, they cry. They come alive on the screen. Finally, we reach the last step, production. This is where everything is polished and put together. The voices are recorded, the music is added, and the final touches are made. And just like that, a new cartoon is ready to be watched and loved by children everywhere. Every frame, every scene, every character is meticulously crafted with love and passion. That's the magic behind your favourite cartoons. Storytelling is at the heart of every cartoon. It's what makes us laugh, cry, and learn important life lessons. You see, a good story is more than just a sequence of events. It's a journey, a roller coaster of emotions, a lesson wrapped in a fun and engaging package. In the world of children's cartoons, storytelling takes on an even bigger role. It's not just about entertaining the little ones with bright colours and funny characters. No, it's about teaching them about friendship, courage, kindness, and all the other values that will help them grow into wonderful human beings. A well-crafted story can take a child on an adventure, make them see the world from a different perspective, inspire them to dream big and believe in themselves. And the best part? It can do all that while making them giggle and smile. A great story can turn a simple cartoon into a timeless classic that children and adults alike will love. The magic of children's cartoons extends beyond the screen. It creates memories, teaches valuable lessons, and sparks creativity. You see, children's cartoons are not just simple animations. They are the mirrors of society, reflecting our culture, our values, and our dreams. They have the power to shape the minds of our young ones, teaching them about friendship, courage, and the importance of being true to oneself. In the intricate tapestry of children's development, cartoons weave threads of creativity and imagination. They introduce children to new ideas, encourage them to think outside the box, and inspire them to dream big. The vibrant colours, the lively characters, and the engaging stories all work together to fuel the flames of curiosity and foster a love for learning. In our world today, the impact of cartoons is far-reaching. They have become an integral part of our culture, influencing not just children, but adults too. Cartoons have the unique ability to transcend age and language, bringing joy and laughter to everyone, everywhere. Creating a cartoon is no small feat. It requires a blend of talent, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic. It's a labour of love, a testament to the power of storytelling and a tribute to the boundless imagination of children. So next time you watch a cartoon, remember the magic, the hard work and the creativity that went into creating it. And who knows, maybe one day you'll create your own magical world.